First, we sketch an eye with suitable color pencil. Then, we apply basic shade to define skin and folds. Now, we'll shade eyeball. Keep this in mind to start with tints, means light tones, and we gradually increase tonal value towards dark. Here you can see how I am moving my pencil to create texture of cornea, using deep yellow in center for contrast. Here I have left a white block for highlight, and this is the important one to define shine and bring realistic character. Once we done with base layer, we'll keep adding depth by adding dark tones of blues, brown, and also gray to blend and make our pencil strokes quite subtle. We'll keep adding some details. See, pencil color application is a time taking work, so enjoy the process and do not rush while making strokes. Then we'll use some detail here. Color pencils initially was not for artistic drawing, but rather used for checking and marking documents. The fact is, the largest color pencil drawing ever made was 500 yards long, and it was completed by Jonathan Francis of New Jersey in 2009. This is to observe how I'm applying shade and choosing different tonal values. So color pencils comes in different varieties, and so here I'm applying a pitch color, a tint all over to blend color, and this technique is known as burnishing. Now watch how I'm defining eyelashes and marking strokes. I always use middle or light tones first, like here I'm creating a base with the marking strokes, and now we'll add dark tones and define details of hair. And with this it's almost done. So to learn more, subscribe our channel and join our online academy sapthora.com. Book your free demo now.